Okay, so we want to find three numbers that are solutions and three numbers that are not solutions to this inequality here. X plus 7 is less than 11. Well, let's figure out first. I mean, this could be trial and error, but we can make it somewhat systematic here by thinking about what number would you have to add 7 to equal 11. If this were an equation, then let's pretend this is an equation. X plus 7 equals 11. Then the solution obviously would be 4. Okay, now, well, the solution of 4, if we add 7 to 4, we get 11. Now, is 4 a solution to the inequality? Is 11 less than itself? No. But so we know let's go ahead and write 4 in red because we know that 4 isn't a solution. 4 is not a solution. Now, let's try 5. 5 plus 7. 12. Is 12 less than 11? No. So 5 isn't a solution either. So since 4 is going to end up being the boundary of this inequality, since 5 wasn't a solution, then 6 is not going to be either. And if we go in the other direction, suppose we were to add 7 to 3.9. 3.9 plus 7 will be 10.9. There, yep, 3.9 is a solution. And stuff smaller than that, like 3 and 2. How about this one? X minus 5 is less than 8. Well, once again, let's pretend that this is an equation and find the boundary of the inequality. Let's pretend this is x minus 5 equals 8. What number do you subtract 5 from to equal 8? That would be 13. Now, is 13 a solution? No, because 13 minus 5 is 8. And 8 is not less than itself, so 13 is not a solution. So I'll write 13 in red again. I'll write 13 as a red non-solution. Now, let's go one higher. 14. Is 14 minus 5 a solution? So 14 minus 5 is 9. 9 isn't less than 8. 14 is not a solution, and neither will 15 be. Let's find some solutions then. Well, let's look at the other side of 13. 12 minus 5, that's 7. Yep, that's a solution. That means 11 is a solution, but we could go higher than 12, all the way to 12.99 even. 12.9999, etc. Because 12.99 minus 5 would be 7.99, which is less than 8. Alright. Negative 2x is greater than or equal to 8. Well, let's pretend it's an equation again. Negative 2x equals 8. What do you have to multiply by negative 2 by to get 8? Well, you have to multiply negative 2 by negative 4 to get 8. So negative 4, is negative 4 a solution? Yes, because you multiply negative 2 by negative 4, you get 8, which is greater than or equal to itself because of the or equal there. So I just realized that I meant to do that in, no, that's not what I meant. But since I'm here, I'll take advantage of it. I wanted all that to be black. Now, let's go back to green and write negative 4 because negative 4 is a solution. Go back to full screen. Oh, screen shade. Oh, phooey. Full screen. Okay. Negative 4 is a solution. Now, let's go to the left or on the far side of negative 4. Let's try negative 3. Is negative Negative 2 times negative 3. What's negative 2 times negative 3? That'd be 6. Is 6 greater than or equal to 8? No. So negative 3 is not a solution. And since going in that direction, since negative 3 isn't a solution, then neither would negative 2. Neither would negative 2 be. And actually negative 3.9 won't be a solution. So which direction do we have to go to get other solutions? Let's go the other way. Negative 5. Let's try negative 5. Negative 2 times negative 5 is 10, and 10 is greater than 8. So negative 5 is a solution. Negative 6 will be a solution. Negative 4.01 will be a solution, etc. And then finally, what number do you have to divide by 3? Let's pretend it's an equation again. What number do you have to divide by 3 to get negative 2? Well, you'd have to divide negative 6. So negative 6 divided by 3 equals negative 2, and because of the or equals, that would be a solution. So negative 6 is a solution. Let's try one less than negative 6. Let's try negative 7. Negative 7 divided by 3. Well, negative 7 thirds. That's a little tricky for a lot of people. Let's try the next multiple of 3 that we can easily divide by 3. How about negative 9? Negative 9 divided by 3. That will be negative 3. Is negative 3 greater than or equal to negative 2? No. It's more negative. It's to the left. So that negative 9 wasn't a solution. And so we need to come, so if negative 9 is not a solution, then neither will negative 10 or anything actually between negative 6 and negative 9, negative 7, negative 8, negative 11, all that stuff. Anything less than negative 6 won't be a solution. And on the other hand, anything to the right of negative 6, like negative 5, negative 4, negative 3. How about negative 3? It's easier to check. Negative 3 divided by 3. Negative 1. Negative 1 is less than negative 2, so negative 3 is a solution, because that gave us, negative 1. A true statement. And 0, of course, would be a solution, because 0 divided by 3 is 0, which is greater than negative 2. Negative 5.9 would be a solution, etc.